Hi guys, so in this video we'll take a look at how we can uh, locate element by LinkedText. So we'll look at how we can look through using LinkedText and also partial LinkedText. Okay, so for the purposes of the flow of this video, we will first click on A/B testing link here, and then click on add remove elements next. Okay, so this is the website that we're going to use as practice called the internet. Okay, so let's look at the code that we have. So the first step is to set up the WebDriver. So you create a new instance of the WebDriver object, and then you type in driver.get and the link to this website here. Okay, so I'll post a link to this website in the description of this video. And then the next thing you want to do is we want to locate the link by full text. Okay, and how we can locate the link is by going to A/B testing. This is the link that we want to click, so we'll right click and then we'll inspect. Okay, and then you can see here within this A tag, it's actually quite small. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit. Yeah, so it's within this A tag. You can see there's the text here called A/B testing. Okay, so we want to copy this A/B testing text, and then in your code you want to create a new instance of the web element object, and then you type driver.findElement by LinkedText, and then you paste the text inside here. And then the next line is where we will call the .click method to click the link. And I also print out system.println just to indicate that the link has been clicked. Okay, so the first line locates the element, the second line clicks the link. Okay, so that's for locate link by full text. So moving on, assuming that we are already in the next page. Okay, we want to navigate back, so we want to navigate back using driver.navigate.back. So we'll go to the previous page. Okay, so once we are in this page again, we want to locate link by partial text now. So we can also locate it by partial text and not just the full text. So to do this, we will use driver.findElement by partial link text instead. And in the website, we want to locate this element. So we will inspect this add remove elements. And you can see here the link text is add remove elements. So we want to locate by just partial link text, so we can locate with just add remove instead of elements. So you can just type add/remove in your code. So this is partial. And then after that, next line we will call the .click method, and then print line to say that the add remove link has been clicked. Okay, yeah, and basically that's how you locate link by link text and also by partial text. So let's run and see what happens. It actually will go by quite fast, so you might not be able to see the full text being clicked. Okay, so that happened quite fast, and then we ended up in the add remove elements page. But if you see in the console, we actually did click on the A/B testing link, and then we also click on the add remove link. Okay, so that's all for locating element with partial and full LinkedText.